hotel they do have in the buffet station. And the special thing is this one is the best. Look at that thing, it's so cute. I don't know what's that thing, but we are heading to Mainz. The distance from here is 500. Now 518 kilometers. It will drive like around 5 hours. We are in another tunnel crossing the small mountain. So this city it's called Maiinz. So we are here now after 5-hour drive. And this train is fast and long. For our hotel tonight, we are staying in Hilton Hotel as usual, and this is the check-in area. And then we are going to the room, and this is kind of like our room that we get upgrade from the receptionist. And as you watch our video so far, we mostly stay in Hilton Hotel because we are the Hilton member, the Diamond member. So we always get the free upgrade to the larger room than the actual room that we are booking. So this is kind of like a really big type of room or suite room that they also provide the extra bed for James. And this is for the bathroom, like the quick room too, as usual, as you can see. And the reason that we are here is for dance work. So yeah, we will be heading to the best store in a few minutes. Mainz Bridge, everybody. I like that light, that lamp pole. It looks like a flower. Stay to the left. I would say this is the most special or the interesting bus station. As you can see, it's just in the middle of the road where you are getting off or starting to enter the bridge. If you are watching our Germany playlist so far, where we go, as you will know, mostly where it is the city that it has the US military community, just like this city. So here we are in one of the military base store to pick up some food supply and then back to the city. We are now crossing the Rhine River. The view, it is breathtaking, especially the World Heritage UNESCO buildings. Maiinz. This is one of the top most beautiful city that we are coming across so far in Germany. And by the way, according to one of the Google articles that I read, the Rhine River, it is approximately around 1,230 kilometers long, and it flows around 6 countries, which is Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Austria, Germany, France, and Netherlands. So this is the evening snack. So they got some fruit, bread, some cheese, coconut, and the special thing is this one is the best, tuna. And then this one is also really good. And this is kind of like the local soup, not bad, kind of like good flavor. And right now I'm gonna have some more of this that. So this is at night time. We are walking along the river, and then you can see those big cruise ship. I think it's raining pretty. It's like when we just leave the hotel, it wasn't rain so much, but now it's just like more and more.
we were supposed to walk along the river, but now it's raining so bad outside. Not really bad, but it's just like bad for walking under the rain, even though we have like a jacket, the rain jacket or the rain suit. So the hotel lobby, they do have kind of like a mini mart here. Not mini mart, kind of like a snack stand. Hi. And that is the lobby. There is the receptionist where you check in, check out, and probably upstairs is the ballroom or conference room. Look at that thing, it's so cute. I don't know what's that thing, but so cute, right? You see how like it has 2 feet at the front and at the back. It has the nail too. Oh my god, it's like a zombie foot or something. It's pretty cute. Look at this thing. I don't know.
And then for dinner, we are walking around to see what's around in the area where we stay. And we are ending up at the Italian restaurant where you can see. But the food here, some of the items are like very salty, but mostly I would say it's really good. And yeah, that's it for night.
That looks good.
Yeah, that was good.
And this also looks good. Smells good.
Okay, let's cheer. Okay, this is the bucket of ice that we request from the receptionist because of my refrigerator here. It's not cold at all, so it kind of like suck. Oh, I don't know, maybe the way of the German refrigerator is, I don't know. So when I called them just now, they said that maybe because of the refrigerator broken, or because of the refrigerator here is normal temperature. It's just like that, not get any cooler. So they said the only solution they can give us is to bring the ice, like you can see. So right now I'm starting to put the ice inside the bucket, so to make it cold, not hot, cold. So that's what we got. Like we got some soda, water, and some cheese, and the lunch meat. Yeah.
The next day.
So the buffet station. So they got so much option here. So this is the food option, yogurt, and then they got cereal here. I may get some cereal here for. This is like zero section. Milk, oat milk, honeycomb. Oh, this is my favorite part of the. And then they got a really good selection. So they got some cheese. Bread. And then also another bread for your sandwich, bagel. And then it's also sausage, bacon, and some more egg options. So they got like soft boil and hard boiled right here. We got more of scrambled egg, more sausage here. This one is the hash brown, mushroom, pancake, like a mini pancake, and they're kind of like mixed with that. And then my favorite part is this one, the make your own style of the waffle here. So it's really interesting with that. I mean, I always make that because it's really good. Oh, look at that. Let's try one of this. Not many hotels they do have this honeycomb in the buffet station, because I think this is like rare or expensive. I'm not really sure whether one of them. Yeah, but it's unique things for the breakfast. That's it. And then I'm gonna have some cereal here. Just like that. Got some spoon here. So that is the restaurant area. What's that?
I'm just gonna order you a ham and eggs Benedict.
Ooh. They have an egg Benedict.
What it says.
Wow. Ooh, egg, yeah. Wow. Egg Benedict. So they do have like the omelette. Choose from cheese, cooked ham.
Make sure you tell her too.
Perfect. They do have the egg Benedict. Havana Hotel. Good morning, everybody. We are now on the way to Stuttgart. We are leaving Maiinz, not man, Maiinz. From here to Stuttgart is like around 2 hours, something like that, and it's around 205 kilometers. And yeah, you can see along the way here. This is the Maiinz city. I think the first impression of the city, it was the beautiful church, right? It's like the beautiful how to say, it's like the building of the church, like especially it's like when you are driving from across the river, and then you kind of like seeing all landmark building, but it's not that kind of like landmark building. It's only the church building. It's kind of like a different shape, but it's really make this city unique. Although our 3 days here is only I mean, the weather is always like cloudy.
In 300 meters,
Always.
use the left lane to